Hi, my name is Dr. Brian Hollander, and I'm the project director for Health Volunteers Overseas. The story of where it started is I came back to Nepal after living in America for some years, and I was looking for a project for Health Volunteers Overseas, and I met Dr. Kafle again, and we ended up starting a program where we sent volunteers here to the dental school to teach in the dental school. And it's been so successful. It started in 2013 when the school didn't even have their first graduating class yet. And now we're in 2023, and I'm here with my son this trip. And he's brought a group in here to teach 3D printing. They've donated a printer and a scanner.
Hello, my name is Jesse and I'm a dentist in Maui, Hawaii now. I was born and raised here in Kathmandu and been affiliated with Dulikhel Hospital for a long time. This trip is pretty exciting. We brought a 3D printer. This is a Sol Accuretta to 3D print teeth and final restorations, especially dentures. I'm trying to get the workflow from 6 visits and sometimes a month down to a couple days and 1 or 2 visits. So this week we've just been kind of setting things up. We have digital design happening and getting the denture workflow really established here in Dulikhel.
Hi, my name is Mike Gordon. My background is in information technology primarily, as well as some construction and larger format printing and things like that. And it turns out dentistry is one of the first industries that has really taken on 3D printing in a final prosthetic and in a end-use way. We're trying to remove the barriers that make it very difficult for hospitals and clinics and public health centers to adopt this technology. And in doing so, what we're able to do is take a lot of the IT and design parts into a remote world where you send us your files in the same way that a lot of people are doing digitally for labs. So using intraoral scans, CBCT data, and 2D images and things like that, so that we can really make very well-fitting prosthetics. And as we go forward, what we're doing is we're taking the files that you send us, we're designing for you to the specifications you asked for, and we're even able to deliver it to you in a format where it's just ready to print on a USB, put it in your printer, you press print, and we even have video tutorials where you're able to follow a video in terms of how to finish that prosthetic for your patients.
I'm Clark Brinton. I'm a general dentist practicing in Portland, Oregon. I have a practice limited to dental implants, specifically full arch. The other thing that we're really excited to bring to Nepal is the concept of full arch for atrophic maxilla using zygomatic implants. So while we're here, we'll train the surgeons here in Nepal that are already very good on a new technique, which would be placing the implants in the zygoma using an approach such as this. We'll anchor the arch using the zygomatic bone. In a case like this, where we don't have any remaining alveolar bone for traditional implants. And that's a very cool technique, and a part of the workflow for that as well is 3D printing the CBCT image. So this was printed here in Nepal, which is really, really cool. So that's a lot of what we're doing here, and a lot of our passion has to do with bringing the 3D printing technology into clinical applications that work not only where we're from, back in the United States, but in other countries such as Nepal, creating access to care.
Namaste, I'm Dr. Kafle from Dulikhel Hospital, Department of Dentistry. I would like to thank Health Volunteer Overseas USA and Dr. Jesse Hollander, Dr. Clark, Dr. Drew and Mike for helping us to set up this 3D printing lab in Nepal, in Dulikhel Hospital. With their help, now our staff and ourselves, we are fully trained on this digital technology, and we have already implemented this technology in our departments. We look forward doing more and more of the digital dentistry and 3D printing at Dhulikhel Hospital and serving to the people of Nepal with better quality and affordable cost. Thank you so much. Thank you all the friends who have supported to this journey. Thank you so much.